Dawa ni ongcina.
Kijing kidang yai beteng ban mi ha skul ba Nehu hadin baki Samla Pule kani ka skul ba kila Sdang ya ka Jingshah Thngan ma Khlem bo por habar ka office trekam jong vice chancellor u professor Prabha Shankar Shukla ha ka ba kila Dawa badai ban Weng kam no ya u kani ka Jingshah Thngan balaya lam da ka seng Nehu Students Union bat da ka shnat trekam jong ka KSU na Nehu kila keno persha ba u vice chancellor ula pendan kam bakla ya ka bor jong u ki Samla Pule kila ongru baka Jingshah Thngan jongki kandang yai beteng tat hadu ba u vice chancellor u registrar bat u deputy registrar kin no ya ka kam jongki kani ka jingya ki jongki Samla Pule kala ja hadin baladon ka jing sange trekam ba Khlem bu por da ka seng Nehu non teaching staff association ka balapan pau bakala don ka jing penslam ha ka rukom thungkam thungjam na ka benta ki kam bala dep pen penapat ba kum ka daw jong ka jingya ki persha jongki ka seng Nehu teachers association lani ka Nehu taru kala ai jing kershan ha ka bede bat ka jing Dawa jongki Samla Pule.
We have discussed yesterday with the Vice Chancellor, and we have, prior to our discussion yesterday, we have put forward multiple memorandums actually, and we have put a deadline on Monday, the 4th of November. But on meeting him yesterday, he was not willing to fulfill our demands as per the memorandum, and one of the demands in that memorandum is the removal or the termination of the registrar and the deputy registrar. And since he was not capable of agreeing to our demands, then we have decided that we will make another demand that the Vice Chancellor has to step down because he is not willing to agree to what we are or even listen to what we are demanding.